Alright, we're in Tonga and we're gonna check out a hut. Let's take a look. Whoa, it's dark in here. Ooh. This is a nice place to stay.
Where's Tonga though? Tonga is.
This is cool.
A lot of room. See some of these small
So, you guys is left in the house? Alright. So guys, I am the chief. My name is Soko. Welcome to my house, the chief's house. This is basically how the chief's house looks like back in the day. It's built big because of the chief's power. The biggest a powerful person in the village. That's why his house is big. Okay. I am dressed up as a chief, symbolizing that I'm a chief. Chief, they normally wear this back in the day, but nowadays our chief just wear normal clothes. And if you look around, you will notice the chief's house is also very high, elevated. This helps with the coolness inside the house because there's no windows. The heat goes up when they build the roof very high. That is why. Yeah. The chief's house is called Vale Levu in Fijian. The word Vale Levu. The word Vale means house and Levu means.
Do you speak Pidgin and Fiji?
Sorry?
Do you speak Pidgin English in Fiji?
Fijian and English, yes.
Fijian.
Yes. No, in Fiji, if you go to Fiji, everyone speaks English. Yeah. It's like, it's easy to understand them.
Yeah.
Because of the Europeans, they came to the island, they taught us English. But now our people are independent now. So Fijian is was the main language again before it was English.
Yeah, I lived in Fiji for quite a while.
Oh yeah?
Pidgin English is kind of
Yeah.
So
Where are you from?
We're from Vancouver.
Oh, nice to meet you guys. That's cool, right?
Well, she was raised in New Guinea,
You
Papua
want
New
to take
Guinea.
pizza?
Yeah,
Of course, yeah.
She wants you in the picture. I'm good, but thank you.
I'm okay.
Come man. Okay. You want to have this?
yes. Well,
There you go.
All right.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for coming here.
thank you.
So,
Yeah,
what are you?
and I'm French Canadian.
Oh, really? Nice to meet you.
Want to go out the same way we came in? Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
Have a great day.